everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the executable component in WEAVR Creator. First, go to your hierarchy and select the game object you want to make executable. Before adding the component, make sure the object has a collider and a rigid body, because WEAVR interaction components require them to function properly. Once added, you will see the executable component appear. Make sure the interactable component is enabled. If it's green, the object can be interacted with later on in the WEAVR player. Now, let's focus on the only setting we need here, which is Can Execute on Touch. This checkbox controls whether the executable triggers automatically when the object is touched. If Can Execute on Touch is enabled, the executable will run immediately when the user touches the object in VR. If it is disabled, touching the object alone will not trigger the executable. This gives you simple control over whether the action should happen instantly on contact or not. To test it, simply enter the play mode. Normally, you would use a trigger button to execute. However, if your Can Execute on Touch is enabled, you can simply just hover over it and make contact, and it should work.